Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a website landing page content. So let's check it out. Uh, I have created new chat by using GPT-4. So first of all, I have to make a HTML code, the markdown format. So let's see. Convert following text to markdown format. So আমি এখান থেকে টেক্সটটা কপি করে নিচ্ছি and then paste enter. See, it's making the markdown format. It's taking a little time. Okay, so here's the markdown format done. Now I will import GPT prompt. So here is my GPT prompt. Okay, they're asking me the target location for this business. So let's input the target location. It's okay. Target location done, and they're asking now LSI keywords, so I have to input that too. Okay, so Christmas festivals upcoming, so I'm making budget on that. Let's put it, and then I have input that. Now I'm putting additional keyword, one of these. Okay, so I have added these three additional keywords actually. Let's see. Okay, now they're asking me the markdown format text. Okay, let's see. I have already created that. I have to make it copy and paste into the set. Okay, enter. Finally, they are making the content of the local pages I'm trying to make. So I can make some edit there, I can make some changes, whatever I want I can do that, but the content is ready. So if you guys want to create website landing page content, you can use this prompt, you can use this format by using GPT-4. Well, excellent content. I like it. I really like it. Thank you.